Overwhelmed by the avalanche of information in the world? Ever wondered how to extract maximum value from every page you turn? Welcome to our exploration of the classic book, How to Read a Book, by Mortimer J. Adler. This isn't just another reading guide, it's a transformational masterclass in active and critical reading. Penned by philosopher Mortimer J. Adler, How to Read a Book provides a systematic approach to understanding various types of literature. It's a tool that empowers readers, cultivating discerning, thoughtful, and engaged reading habits. One of the fundamental ideas Adler introduces is reading with purpose. He presents different levels of reading, from elementary, where the focus is on gleaning information, to syntopical reading that involves comparing and synthesizing texts on a specific subject. By identifying the intent behind your reading, you can modify your approach and extract maximum value. Another critical concept is active reading. Adler stresses the importance of interacting with the text, posing questions, making connections, and challenging assumptions. Active readers go beyond passively absorbing information to think critically, analyze arguments, and draw their own conclusions. But how can you apply Adler's principles to your reading habits? Start by setting clear objectives. Whether you're reading for fun, research, or personal development, having a distinct purpose helps guide your reading process and maintain focus. Adler also encourages readers to annotate, mark up your books, jot down notes, and highlight key passages. This active interaction not only improves comprehension, but also promotes deeper reflection and understanding. In a rapidly evolving world, lifelong learning is paramount, and How to Read a Book offers invaluable guidance for becoming a more effective learner. Prioritize reading in your daily routine, set aside dedicated time for focused reading sessions, and seek diverse perspectives to expand your horizons. And that's a snapshot of the transformative wisdom found in How to Read a Book by Mortimer J. Adler. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a curious mind, this book is a must-add to your reading list. If you found this overview helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow book enthusiasts, and comment below with your favorite reading tip. Don't forget to subscribe for more book recommendations.